Hello everyone! Today we'll be covering how to use the Create Primitives tool in FormIt. To use this tool, select the Create Primitives icon and the drop-down menu of pre-made solids will appear. From here you can select the cube icon or press Alt and B on the keyboard for a shortcut. This activates the placement of the volume, so click once in the canvas to place the model. It can now be manipulated however you choose. You can drag the faces, move the edges, or the vertices. There are also options for the dome, the pyramid or Alt-P, the cylinder, and the roof solid. When using the Create Primitives tool before placement, press the Tab key to open the tool options dialog to type in the desired dimensions. So if I wanted my cube to be 20 by 20 by 20, I can type those in. Primitives are very useful building blocks for a model, and they act uniquely in that they don't stick to each other, but are not technically a group. As you can see, if you have two overlapping primitives, they don't stick together. And that's it for FormIt Create Primitives tool. Be sure to check out more videos on the FormIt YouTube channel.